Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. So today, as you can see, I'm gonna do a kind of an unboxing because I have already unboxed it, but I'm gonna do a review about my very first Furls crochet hook. And I'll talk to you what I think about it, if it's worth it. I'm gonna make a swatch with it to see whether it's the same as my other crochet hooks, and give you a full an idea on what to expect from this crochet hook and whether it's worth it or not. So I've been thinking for a very long time to buy a Furls crochet hook because they really look very nice. I love how design and luxurious they look, and how it's made and the different colors and all. But I've been delaying a lot to buy one because of the price. Of course, everybody knows that the first crochet hooks are very expensive. And you know, putting a kind of a big amount of money on a crochet hook is not really common or normal for me, and I'm sure for many of you as well. But I just made the step and I bought it finally, and I just got it 1 week ago. So I also ordered with it the leather case. It's a leather case, I think it was $12, and you can put your crochet hook inside. So this is what you get when you order the first crochet hook. This is from the Alpha series, and this is what the box looks like. Here it shows like the different Alpha series colors: tulip wood, black wood, etc. And when we open the box, this is what you get inside. So I ordered the 5.5 Alpha series crochet hook. So I'm sure you can see like this. The crochet hook itself looks very fine and nice. It's very pretty to look at. It's well made. There is no mistake, not a single one. Here you can see it's engraved with the I number, like 5.5, but there is no number. It's only the letter for the number, crochet hook number. So this, I believe, is the rosewood color, and like I said, it's 5.5. So like I said, this crochet hook is very well made. It's nice, it's fine as well. I thought for a long time that it won't be easy to crochet with, but when I started, it looks quite yeah, it feels comfortable to crochet with. However, one thing, if you're not used to crochet with like designed hooks like this, like me, I'm so used to the aluminium crochet hook, you need some time to get the hang of it and get used to crocheting with different hooks. I have crocheted with wooden crochet hooks before, but flat ones, not like this one. So one of the things you need to remember that it will take time, or you need to practice a little so you get the hang of it, so your stitches are as tight and as good as you're always doing. So I'm gonna try and make a swatch to see how it is while crocheting. Oops. So I'm using this yarn for some project, and I'm using the crochet hook number 6, but I'm gonna show you how it looks like with this eye crochet hook, and I'm gonna show you later with my 5.5 aluminium hook and the number 6 as well, so you can have an idea about it. So I'll chain 10, 1, 2, 3. You can see it is smooth, but it's not as smooth as the aluminium crochet hook, but I don't know, it could be smoother, but so far this is how it is. So I'm gonna do a half double crochet. So I feel a bit slower while using this crochet hook, but again, like I said, once you get the hang of it, you will like it. For me, I'm not gonna use it for my everyday crochet, but for some special projects, because I know it will take time. So for whatever I want to do fast, this is not the one I'm gonna use. Okay, so far the stitches are neat and large. I'm gonna do 2 more rows and I'll come back and show you. Oops. So just to show you, this is the piece with the Alpha series, and this is with a 5.5 aluminium crochet hook. Not sure if you can see. Okay, I'll put it side to side. Okay, this is 5.5 aluminium crochet hook. This is supposed to be 5.5 from the Furls crochet hook, and this one, whoops, this is number 6 in aluminium crochet hook. So this looks a little closer to this, but the Furls crochet hook has the biggest piece. Even with the 6th one, it's still smaller than this. So I'm not sure about the sizes, if they're getting it right, or I don't know. But the stitches, they feel light and nice. The only thing, if you want to choose a size, maybe you should get a size less or smaller. Like if you're crocheting most of the time with 5.5, maybe it's better to get crochet hook number 4 for your projects. But this is the comparison between all. I'm not sure which one is right. I think the aluminium hooks, I'm using this for many years and they are right in size. One more thing, the crochet hook from Furls is very light, it's not heavy, and it doesn't weigh a lot. So yeah, one more positive thing. So this is basically how it is and how it looks like. I don't regret buying this Furls crochet hook. I don't know, it's nice to have it. At least I know what it is now. I might in the future buy the acrylic ones because they look nice, and again, like I said, I'm not gonna use this for my everyday crochet, but more of occasion crochet projects. I hope this review was a bit helpful for anybody who is planning to buy it or wants to see a review of the Furls crochet. Let me know your thoughts if you got one or you're planning to get one, and until next time, take care, bye bye.